Hi there, and welcome to a Baby Boomer in Winnipeg. Today's edition, I'm going to show you how I put together this carving kit. We were down at the Canadian Museum for Human Rights, and I saw this kit there, and I thought I would give it a try. So I'm going to carve.
Okay.
Well, yeah, you open up the kit. I like this. It says, start here. So you start here by opening it up. And it's got the nice pictogram instructions. And everything you need to do it, eh? So what I learned, I need to have one of these cloths down here. I need a bowl of water.
It's going to get that.
So we stole the bowl of water from the dog, right? And I take my soapstone and I soak it in there. And I follow the instructions. I think I am already up to... Do you remember which sandpaper I'm supposed to use? I got a
The darker one
P400.
first and then the yellow one.
Is that what they said?
Yeah.
The other thing, it turns like mud right away. Now it's to put this wax on. Where's it there? Oh, the wax is melting so nice. That's what's important, eh?
Huge piece of wax, eh?
And there's the final product when it's all done. My soapstone bear.